Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 9 in Bohol Island, 3:10 p.m. in the afternoon. Right now, I'm in Tubigon Port buying terminal ticket. The ferry ticket was 320 pesos, the municipal fee was 10 pesos, terminal fee was 20 pesos. The total damage was 360 pesos. The process is very simple. The first step, the guard will check your ticket at the entrance.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
After that, there is a luggage checking and scanning. This port was newly built, still the system is not online.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, checking is finished. Now, the waiting area. Yeah, beautiful. Very well set up over here. It's a huge, and you have a level 2 also. It is a very huge terminal, and waiting area is fully air-conned. I can guess maybe more than 1,000 people can sit down, first floor and second floor. That is the boat I'm going. You have a charging station in the terminal, so you can charge your gadgets. Look at it. Very well maintained. Thank you. So I'm walking to the boat right now. Lucky enough, there is no rain. Still, we had to walk another 50 meters. Look at the port. This is how it looks like.
If you look at the port, they're still building a lot of things.
This is another ferry. The timing is 3:30 actually for that. Don't worry, there's a multiple ferries are there. Multiple different company available. According to your time, you can get your ticket over here. Alright. Now I'm already in the ferry right now. Just right?
Second floor.
Second floor. This one? Sorry.
Third floor, turn left.
Third floor, turn left. So we are going to the third floor. That's nice. How many 62?
My seat is 62A.
Yeah, here everything have a seat number. Look at that. This boat is very huge. Like this passenger area.
The third floor was economy, open air. It cost you 330 pesos. Second floor was tourist class, fully air-conned. It cost you 390 pesos. The first floor was business class, air conditioning plus adjustable seat. It will cost you 450 pesos. There is a one advantage in economy. You will have a view deck in the end. In that view deck, children's not allowed.
Beautiful. Wow. Look at that.
As you can see from here, the terminal was 200-meter distance at least. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Wow. Absolutely fantastic.
As usual, it is going to be expensive if you buy anything in the ferry.
How much the water? Water.
30 pesos.
Right now the gate was closed. Time is going to be like what? 6 minutes late. Wow, the gate is lifting now. You can see. We are moving from Tubigon Port. Beautiful.
I'm just enjoying the evening over here. This is a good spot to taking photo for your social media account. The view and the scenery is breathtaking. When you look down, it is very scary also. I'm just enjoying the evening over here. On the way, I saw a couple of beautiful islands. Definitely it made my bucket list. Next time when I go back to Bohol Island, definitely I will explore these islands. This island have a fantastic lighthouse. Today the evening was fantastic. Only thing, because of the cloudy day, we couldn't see the clear sunset. It is almost 5:30 p.m. We are closing to the Cebu port. This is a beautiful expressway. As you can see, this is a missed opportunity for the beautiful sunset. Imagine if you have a beautiful sunset, it will be a fantastic scenery for your journey. I have to say, still the experience mind-blowing. In Bohol, you have more than 200 attractions available. So if you want to explore everything, you need at least 2 to 3 months. But I stay there only for 9 days. I explore 25 attractions in Bohol. Definitely I will come back again to explore the other places. The port was very huge. You can see so many boats docking over here. Finally, we arrived at the destination.
Right now the time is 5:50, so we came early, not even 2 hours.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon.
I want to go north bus terminal. North bus terminal.
North Bus Terminal?
Yeah.
Eh,
How much you want?